Changing your Outlook passwords on a regular basis has become important due to escalating incidents of data breaches. The last Outlook data breach incident took place in 2019. Microsoft stated that unauthorized access to some accounts was observed between January 1 and March 28, 2019. The hackers had accessed the accounts of many users and viewed their account addresses, folder names, and subject lines of the emails, and the content of the emails. Hence, it is recommended that you should change the password of Outlook. The professionals recommend changing your password once a week or every 30 and 60 days to protect your information more effectively. However, not everyone is familiar with the technicality or dashboard of the Outlook, and sometimes a user gets confused while changing the password. So, if you're not familiar with Outlook dashboard, don't know how to change the password, or have lost or forgotten your password, then stay tuned, because in this video, we are going to discuss methods to change MS Outlook password. Why is it important to change the Outlook password? You should change your Outlook password periodically because it allows you to keep unauthorized users away, limits breaches to multiple accounts, prevents constant access. How to change the password of MS Outlook? If you are using Outlook 2019, 2016, or 2013, or if you have purchased Outlook as a standalone application, then follow the steps. Go to File tab, then click on Info. Now go to Account Settings, then click on Manage Profiles. Next, click on Email Accounts. A dialog box will open, click on the Email tab and then click on the Change button. In the Change Account window, go to the Logon Information section and enter the new password, then click Next. Now, wait for the tasks to complete. Once the tasks are checked in green, exit the window by clicking on the Close button. Changing your password here does not change your email password or where your email is hosted. The password you enter here must match what your password is set to where it is hosted. If you are using Microsoft 365 with monthly updates, open Outlook, then click on File, then click on Account Settings. Now click on the Update Password option. Update the password and then click OK. What to do if you have lost or forgotten your password? In case you have lost or forgotten the Outlook password, then don't worry. With the SysInfo Outlook password recovery tool, you can easily recover the password. You can easily recover, remove, and set the password in a single click. The tool has the following feature: instantly recover lost or forgotten Outlook PST file passwords. Unlock the password protected PST files efficiently. Supports multilingual password recovery. No data alteration or data loss while password recovery. Supports all Outlook versions. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.